Hello all, I'm Guna Madhivanan from Officers IAS Academy. Friends, we are coming up with an exclusive live quiz program based on current affairs targeting 2024 prelims on a weekly basis. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in our Officers Path channel, we will be coming up with this live quiz program. So how to participate? So for which you have to install an mobile application. So go to either App Store or the Google Play Store to download this application named Kahoot application. Download and install it. Alright. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in the live video, I will be giving you a 7-digit PIN. So you have to enter that 7-digit PIN in your installed application. In that Kahoot application, you have to enter that 7-digit PIN. Or we will give you a QR code. If you are not interested in installing the application, you can scan the QR code in the web browser. You can open the web page. In that you can enter this 7-digit PIN number and you can participate in this quiz program. So once you enter the 7-digit number, the application will ask you to give a username. So you have to give your username. Followed by your username, please give your last 4 digits of your mobile phone number. For example, my username is Guna8990, the last 4 digits of my phone number. So like that you can create your own username. That's all. You are ready to participate in the quiz. So in the live video, I will be showing you the question. The question will be followed by 4 options as usual, A, B, C, D. The 4 options will have a color code, right? So option A, red color, option B, blue color, option C, green color, option D, yellow color. So the 4 options will have 4 different color codes. So in your mobile phone, you have installed the Kahoot application, right? So the Kahoot application in your phone, in your device, it will show you 4 colored box, only 4 colored box. Only in the video which you are watching, in that live video, I will give you the question, followed by that 4 option I will be giving you. The 4 option will have a color code, right? So if you are going to choose A as the right answer, then A has red color, then in your mobile phone you will have a red colored box. You have to choose that. That's all. If the answer which you have chosen is correct, and if you have chosen that quickly, for every question we will give you 60 seconds. Assume that I am choosing A is the right answer, and I am choosing within 20 seconds, within 10 seconds. Based on how quickly I choose the question, I have to choose the correct one and I have to choose it as early as possible. So the one who is choosing at the earliest will be given more points. So if I am choosing in 20 seconds, I will be given more points. If someone is choosing at 30 seconds, then relatively lesser points, right? So this is how the quiz will work. So at the end of the program, we will show you the leaderboard. Between the questions also, I will show you the leaderboard. At the end, I will show you the final leaderboard. The one with more number of points will be given a certificate, right? The idea of the quiz program is to provide you a real-time experience of solving the questions along with that competitive environment, right? I hope this program adds more value to your preparation. So along with this, we have a daily current affairs hit list series, daily answer rating initiative. So all these initiatives will give you a competitive edge in your 2024 prelims as well as mains, right? I hope this adds more value to your preparation. So see you in the quiz. Till then, bye, take care.
This is a general quiz number 17. I'm so glad to see everybody in here. So as usual, the quiz works the same way. So I hope you all have logged in into Kahoot application. I'll just quickly say the game pin code, that is 8061969. I repeat, 8061969. All right. So once again, we'll be having 15 number of questions as usual, along with 4 options with 4 different color codes. So you are supposed to select one of them which is correct according to you, and that would be notified here on my screen. Okay, so again, see that you'll answer really quick, because the person who does it first will be notified here along with the score points. So yeah, without further delay, we'll quickly start with the quiz. Once again, welcome and all the very best. Alright, so let's go to the first question of the day. First question on your screen. Okay, the highest number of geographical indication, that is GI tagged goods or products in the country are from which state? Option A, Himachal Pradesh, B, Andhra Pradesh, C, Karnataka, and D, Tamil Nadu. Okay, bring in more answer guys, very good, keep going. Last 15 seconds to go. Okay, we are receiving answers, very good. Alright. Okay. Okay, so there goes your correct answer on your screen. That is option C, Karnataka. Oh, most of them have got it wrong. Why Tamil Nadu? No, the correct answer is option C, that is Karnataka. Okay, please remember that Karnataka has 42 number of products which has been considered as GI indicated products. Okay, out of which 18 number of products, or I would say goods, are from Mysore. As we all know the famous Mysore sandal soap, we know Mysore paintings. So those are very famous products, out of which we can clearly say that Karnataka would be the correct answer. So please remember this. Okay, I think only very few of them have got it right. Okay, those who have got it right, very good. Keep going. Alright, so let's look at the leaderboard now. So leaderboard on your screen. Okay, we can see Jenny leading. Very good, Jenny. Followed by Kirtana, Hinata, Kanmani, and Yoga. Okay, very good, very good. Keep going. Alright. So let's go to the second question. Question number 2 for the day. Question number 2 on your screen. World Malaria Report is published by option A, World Bank, option B, World Health Organization, option C, UNICEF, that is United Nations Children's Fund, option D, Pan American Health Organization, PAHO. Okay, let's look at the answer. Okay, yes, there goes the answer on your screen. Alright, yes, most of them have got it right. Very good. So the correct answer is color code blue, that is World Health Organization. So we can clearly see that World Malaria Report is being published by World Health Organization, and this particular malaria, okay, this disease is caused by the parasite. So when female Anopheles mosquito is the vector which carries the particular parasite, and the most common amongst actually there are 5 types of parasites. Okay, so the most common one is the Plasmodium vivax. Okay, you would have studied this in your science part when you were in your school days. It is very known to everybody, isn't it? Yeah, so this particular report, that is World Malaria Report, was published in the year 2020 by World Health Organization, wherein they could clearly analyze the trends, including preventive measures, including the policies which is to be made with respect to this malaria as a disease. Okay, and also they estimate cases for malaria throughout the world, globally as well as regionally. All right, yeah. So let's look at the leaderboard now. Let us see who has aced. Okay, once again Jenny, congratulations Jenny, very good, you're leading, followed by Kirtana and then Mukherjee, welcome. Okay, followed by Yoga Priya, very good, Shivaranjani on the 5th position. Great work guys, others bring in more answers. Okay, be really quick. Alright, okay, so let's look at the third question. Question number 3 on your screen. Which of the following organizations started the momentum for for change initiative? Yeah, which of the following organizations started the momentum for change initiative? Option A, United Nations Climate Change Secretariat, option B, UNEP, option C, IUCN, and option D, UNICEF. All right, Very good. Okay. Okay. Very good, very good. Keep answering. Great work, guys. There goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Once again, most of them have got it wrong. That's okay. Your correct answer is color code red. Option A, United Nations Climate Change Secretariat. Okay, so that is the organization which has started Momentum for Change initiative. Change in terms of informative, innovative and transformative. Towards what? Towards the environment as well as socio and economic progress. Okay, so this was the initiative which was working towards the change. Okay, so you must remember that. Also, they largely focused on low carbon emission. Okay, so they used to control and kind of discuss in terms of controlling pollution. That is what that is what this particular question along with the option mean. All right. Okay, so now let's look at the leaderboard. Let us see who has come up. Okay, I can see changes in the position. Kirtana on the first place. Very good, Kirtana. Keep going. Deepa, Karan. Very good. Jenny on the third position. Kayal Vili on the fourth position. Adi. Welcome, Adi. Great work. All right, we can see Kanmani as the highest climber. Great work. Very good, very good. All right, so let's move forward. Let's look at question number 4 for the day. Question number 4 on your screen. Strait of Hormuz connects which of the following? Option A, Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Option B, Andaman Sea and South China Sea. Option C, Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. And option D, Black Sea and Marmara Sea. 15 more seconds, 10 more seconds to go. All right, bring in more answers, everybody. Great work, keep going. Yes. Even if it is a wrong answer, that's okay, at least try. Yeah, very good, very good. And there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Yes, very good, guys. Great work. So most of them have got it right. It is color code red. That is option A, Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Okay, so Strait of Hormuz actually connect Persian Gulf along with Gulf of Oman. With respect to geography questions, please remember you must always analyze and understand the options as well. Okay, so you should know like for what reason are these options being connected to the particular question. So when you look at that, looking at Andaman Sea and South China Sea, so that refers to Malacca Strait. Okay, and look at option C, that is Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. That refers to Bab al Mandan Strait. Okay, and option D, that is Black Sea and Marmara Sea, refers to Bosporus Strait. So, okay, please remember that as well. All right, so let's look at the leaderboard now. Let us see who has climbed up. Yes, once again, shift in the position. Great work, Deepa Karan. Very good. I think your geography is really good. Followed by Jenny. Great work. Kayal Vili on the third position. Adi on the fourth. And we can see a new member, that is Praveen on the fifth place. Great work. Okay. And Vaidhi, I guess, she has got the streak of 3 correct answers in a row. Great work. Congratulations. Okay. So let's look at the next question now. Question number 5. Question number 5 on your screen. Kanha Tiger Reserve is located in option A, Maharashtra, B, Madhya Pradesh, C, Assam, and D, Karnataka. Okay. Environment plus geography based question. Kanha Tiger Reserve. Very good, very good. Keep answering, everybody. Great work, guys. Very good. All right. So let's look at the correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Yes. So very good. Most of them have got it right. The correct answer is option B, color code blue. That is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh has Kanha Tiger Reserve. Okay, it is also a largest national park in Madhya Pradesh, and we all know that geographically Madhya Pradesh is located at the center of the country. So again, it has that strategic position. Okay. Plus it has significant population in terms of animals like Royal Bengal tiger, Indian leopards, sloth bear, and Indian wild dog as well. Okay, and we can also this particular national reserve, tiger reserve, was very famous because it was the first tiger reserve in India to officially introduce the mascot related to what? Bhur Singh the Barasingha. it is actually a deer, a kind of a deer, swamp deer. So this particular word Bharasiha, it was highlighted to take care or to preserve or to protect this particular species of a deer. Okay, so and it also worked towards spreading great awareness for this species. Okay, so that's the reason we have to look into it and study about it. Okay, one more important thing is, interesting thing I would say, is whenever you read anything about national park or anything about tiger, anything about reserve, anything about particular national park geographically or say environmentally, please see that what are the animals or any specific species which are associated with that particular area, along with just check out whether there are some rivers which are flowing through, is there something which is interesting related to that particular topic. So that might become a possible potential question for your examination. Okay, yeah, so let's look at the leaderboard now. Let us go through the scoreboard. Once again I can see shift of position. Vaidhi has come. Okay, very good. Vaidhi is appearing on the 5th place. Great work. 4th place is holded by Praveen. 3rd position is holded by Adi. 2nd Jenny, and 1st place, very good, Deepa Karan. Great work. Okay, and we can see Jiva as the highest climber. Okay, very good. So let's look at the next question. Question number 6 for the day. Question number 6 on your screen. The Kaladhan multimodal project aims to connect option A, Kunming to Kyapyu port, option B, Inayam to Colombo port, option C, Kolkata to Sithwi port, and option D, Kabul to Chabahar port. Okay, all right, bring in more answers. Few more seconds to go. Okay. Yes, and there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Very good. Most of them have got it right. Yes. So the correct answer is color code yellow. Option C, Kolkata to Sitwi port. Now, Sitwi port is located in Myanmar. So actually, Kaladhan multimodal project, it aims to connect Kolkata to the Sitwi port, which is in Myanmar, and again it follows, and then again it connects Mizoram. And when you look about Mizoram, it connects via road as well as via waterways. Okay, so via river, I would say specifically. So we can also see this Kaladhan river, which has been flowing along with this project. So based on the flow of the Kaladhan river, this particular project has been implemented or assigned. So that's the reason we have this name as Kaladhan multimodal project, and it aims to improve the range of infrastructure from roads and bridges, and it connects. Okay, so to improve the connectivity, this particular project was initiated, and despite of lots of challenges and struggles, actually this project has successfully completed most of its phase, and that's the reason we can see this in current affairs recently. Okay, so our external affairs minister, that is Sir Jai Shankar, he has said that this particular project has reached the final stage. So that's the reason we are studying about this. All right. Okay. So let's look at the leaderboard now. Let us see who has come up. Once again, Deepa Karan holding on to the position. Very good. Adi on the 2nd place. Jenny on the 3rd place. Praveen on the 4th place. Welcome Sai. Very good. On the 5th place. And we can see 3 players has reached answer streak 5. Great work. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Question number 7 for the day. Question number 7 on your screen. Hiroshima Declaration is associated with option A, G7, option B, European Union, and option C, G20, option D, G4. Very good. Keep answering. Hiroshima Declaration. All right. Okay. And there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Yes, most of them have got it right. The correct answer is color code red, option A, that is G7. I hope you all know what G7 countries are. Canada, France, Germany, Italy, UK, USA. Okay, so and Japan. So yeah, these are the 7 important countries holding very strong economy. Okay, so they are very much in top position in terms of business, in terms of economy, and that's the reason they form major part in contributing towards global economy. So particularly this Hiroshima Declaration is associated with G7 countries. In terms of these G7 countries have taken initiative to maintain international stability in terms of peaceful means. Okay, so this is the declaration which was signed between these 7 countries. So basically they focus in promoting international stability along with going against or saying no to nuclear weapons. So that is what it is. Okay, yeah, so let's look at the leaderboard now. Okay, very good. Adi on the first place, Deepa Karan on the second position, Mukherjee once again has come up. Okay, on the third place, Kayal Willi on the fourth position, Jenny on the fifth place. And once again we can see 5 players have reached the answer streak 4. Very good, very good. Okay, let's look at the next question now. Question number 8 on your screen. Question number 8. Which of the following are the 3 main parts of the CPU, that is Central Processing Unit? Option A, ALU Control Unit and Registers. Option B, ROM Control Unit and Registers. Option C, Control Unit, Registers and RAM. Option D, ALU Control Unit and ROM. Okay. 3 main parts of the CPU. All right. And there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Oh no, why? The correct answer is color code red. That is option A, ALU Control Unit and Registers, and not green. Okay, I think most of them have marked it green. That is ALU Control Unit and ROM. No, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is ALU Control Unit and Registers. Registers are also known as memory units. Okay, CPU, as we all know, that's the brain of the computer, so that becomes an important part of the computer. Looking at CPU, it has been the 3 main components of CPU is ALU. What is ALU? It is arithmetic logic unit, and control unit and registers, as I told you, it is memory unit. So ALU basically focuses on performing arithmetic calculations. So in terms of addition, subtraction, or say any mathematical calculation, positive, integers, numbers, etc. And when you look at control unit, so control unit basically controls all the information which has been gathered, and registers, as I told you, it is the memory unit. It clearly means that it stores information. It stores information and data, and everything is being processed with the help of CPU. I mean, everything is coordinated, and this has been monitored by this device called as CPU. Okay, so definitely your correct answer is color code red. Alright, so let us look at the leaderboard now. Okay, once again we can see a shift of position, but Adi holding on to the first place. Very good, Adi. Deepak Karan on the second place, great. Kayal Willi on the third position. Manikandan, a new player, very good Manikandan, welcome. Followed by Mukherjee, great, great. And Kayal Willi has a streak of 3 correct answers in a row. Congratulations. Okay, so now let's look at the next question. Question number 9 on your screen. In which of the following compounds OH is the functional group? Option A, pentane, B, pentanol, C, pentonic acid, and D, pentalaldehyde. Okay. Organic chemistry, 9th and 10th standard. All right. OH is the functional group. Which of the following compounds? Okay, there goes your correct answer in few seconds on your screen. Yes, very good. Most of them have got it right. I'm so glad. Good, your basics are really good, it means. Okay, so the correct answer is pentanol. Okay, so what is pentane? So it is carbon compounds which has been attached. It has 5 carbons, and therefore we have this keyword, that is pentane, or I would say a parent word, that is pent, P-E-N-T. Okay, usually when you look at organic chemistry, it is like 1 carbon is being attached with 4 hydrogen. So it has this kind of link. C is in the center, along with 4 branches. It has H attached to it. H is hydrogen. When you have 1 carbon with 4 hydrogen, it is methane. When you change the number of carbon, the parent name changes accordingly. So it is methane, ethane, like that it changes. Okay. So when you look at pentane or pentanol, so pent is for 5 and this OL, that is actually a suffix, that is actually a word. So OH is the functional group, and when you denote alcohol, you put OH as a functional group, but while writing it in the branch format or in a chemical formula, you put the word OL. Okay, and that's the reason the correct answer for the functional group OH is pentanol, ending with OL. Alright, okay. So similarly, we can see other compounds like ethanol, methanol, so like that it follows. Alright, okay. So now let us look at the scoreboard. Scoreboard on your screen. Once again, shift in the position. Deepa Karan, again you have come to the top. Okay. Next, followed by Adi, very good Adi. Manikandan on the 3rd place, Mukherjee on the 4th position, Kayalvili on the 5th place. Great work. We can see Ranjit has the highest answer streak of 3. Great work, Ranjit. Alright, so let's move forward. Let us look at the 10th question for the day. Question number 10th on your screen. Which of the following is not a strategic petroleum reserve site in India? Read the question carefully. It says not a strategic petroleum reserve site in India. Option A, Visakhapatnam, B, Mangaluru, C, Kandla, and D, Padur. Alright, we are receiving answers. Great work. Everybody answer. Very good, very good. Keep going. Few more seconds, last 10 seconds to go. Strategic Petroleum Reserve, SPR. Yes, and there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. The correct answer is Kandla. Okay, so Kandla does not have a strategic petroleum reserve site in India, whereas when you look at Visakhapatnam, Mangaluru and Padur, so it has it. Now what does this strategic petroleum reserve site mean? So actually it is a huge stockpile of a place where you can stock crude oil and related to it, like related goods or products related to it in the underground rock. So basically you do it in order to tackle the emergency situation. So it is the reserve where you can store particular amount of things related to crude or things related to natural petroleum or anything related to crude. That is what I mean. Okay, so in India we have these 3 places where we do store crude related content or crude related product, but then in Kandla we cannot. Okay, and when you look at these 3 places, actually we kind of store reserve which could be utilized for 9.5 days. We have other oil marketing companies which helps us to store, or which has the capacity, which has a place to store for products for around like 64 or 65 days. So in all, currently India has 74 days product to be stored. That much space we have, but yeah, but this particular Kandla, this place, it doesn't have. So therefore your correct answer according to the question is Kandla, because it doesn't have any SPR or strategic reserve site. Alright, so yeah, so now let's look at the leaderboard. Let us see who has come up. Okay, we can once again see shift in the position. Adi on the 1st place, Manikandan on the 2nd position, Deepa Karan on the 3rd place, Vaidehi on the 4th place. Welcome Vaidehi. Mukherjee on the 5th. And we can see Wenk 4151 is the highest climber. Okay, very good, very good. So let's look at the next question. Question number 11 on your screen. How many articles and schedules are there in the Constitution finally passed by the Constituent Assembly? Option A, 378 articles and 7 schedule. Option B, 390 articles, 7 schedules. Option C, 395 articles, 8 schedule. Option D, 398 articles, 8 schedule. Yes, bring in more answers. How many articles? The number of articles is what the question demands. Okay, and there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Yes, most of them have got it right. Very good. So the correct answer is color code yellow, option C. That is 395 articles with 8 schedule. Okay, so the day when articles were adopted is what we celebrate as Republic Day, as we all know, in the year 1950. Yeah. So at that time it was 395 articles which was given to us by the Constituent Assembly along with 8th schedule. Alright. So your correct answer is, obviously it is color code yellow. Okay. And recently, I mean, if you look at the current number, it is definitely been changed. And how do we change that? With amendments we change it. Okay. Yeah. So let's look at the scoreboard now. Adi on the first place, very good Adi, followed by Deepa Karan, and Vaidehi on the third position, Manikandan on the fourth place, and we can see Mukhilji on the fifth position. We can see Teresa is the highest climber now. Very good, very good. We can see new names, I'm so glad. Okay, so let's look at the next question. Let's look at the next question, question number 12 on your screen. What is the scientific name for washing soda? Very easy question. Option A, sodium carbonate, B, sodium bicarbonate, C, calcium carbonate, and D, calcium bicarbonate. Yes, yes, bring in more answers. All right, few more seconds to go. Okay. Keep answering, keep answering. And there goes your correct answer on your screen. Yes, so it is color code red, that is sodium carbonate. No, it is not sodium bicarbonate. Actually, the name looks very similar. I think that's the reason you all got confused. But the correct answer is sodium carbonate. And what's the chemical name for it? I mean, the chemical formula for it? It is Na2 and CO3. Okay, please remember that. And actually, it is basic in nature because it has the pH value 11. So usually pH value 7 is for neutral. So water has pH value 7. So when it is less than 7, it ranges from 0 or I would say 1 to 7, it is acidic in nature. When it ranges more than or above the number 7, then it is basic in nature. So sodium bicarbonate or washing soda, it is 11, the pH value is 11 and therefore it is basic in nature. And it has been used to, manufacture soap, detergent and things like that. Yeah? Okay, so now let's look at the leaderboard. Once again, I could see position shifting. Very good. Adi once again holding on to the place. Great work, Adi. Deepa Karan on the second place. Vaidehi on the third place. Jenny on the fourth position. We can see a new member. Jawahar. Welcome, Jawahar, on the fifth place. Yeah, I think it has been notified saying that tough round. Okay. All right. So let's look at the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 on your screen. The members of the Panchayat are option A, nominated by the district officer. Option B, elected by the electorates of the representative territorial constituencies. Option C, nominated by local self-government minister of the state. And option D, nominated by the block development organization. The members of the Panchayat are. Yes. Few more seconds to go. Bring in more answers. Very good. We are receiving answers. Yes, great work. Keep answering. And there goes your correct answer. Yes, correct answer on your screen. Very good. Most of them have got it right. So the correct answer is the members of the Panchayat are elected by the electorates of the respective territorial constituencies. Okay, so again it is based on universal adult franchise, the right to vote. Yeah, and also we elect members of the Panchayat or Samiti, the Panchayat Village Samiti or Jilla Parishad, those members are being selected in the same manner only. Okay, yeah. So let's look at the scoreboard now. Okay, we can see shifting of position. Vaidehi has climbed up. Adi once again holding on to the position. Very good, Adi. Vaidehi on the second place. Deepa Karan has come to the third place. Jenny on the fourth place. Jawahar on the fifth place. And 5 players just hit answer streak 3. Very good, very good. Deepa Karan, very good. You're holding to your place. Great work. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Question number 14, the second last question of the day. Everybody participate. The trident shaped symbol of Buddhism does not represent option A, Nirvana, option B, Sangha, option C, Buddha, and option D, Dhamma. Yes, keep answering. Very good. All right. Yes, bring in more answer, guys. Few more seconds to go. Very good, very good. Keep answering. Yes, keep answering. And there goes your correct answer. Correct answer on your screen. Yes, it is Nirvana. The other three are considered to be the jewels of Buddhism, that is Sangha, Buddha and Dhamma. So which is excluded from the trident shape symbol of Buddhism is Nirvana. So after the quiz you can just Google it and see. So it has that three pointed kind of symbol. Okay, so it is like three point which has been poked out along with one base. So actually those 3 points, they symbolize Sangha, Buddha and Dhamma, whereas this Nirvana is excluded. Okay, and therefore your correct answer is Nirvana. And also this symbol, it symbolizes 3 periods, that is your present, your past as well as your future. And therefore in Buddhism this particular symbol is celebrated and respected. Okay, yeah. So now let's look at this leaderboard now. Let us see who has come up. Very good, very good. Adi on the first place, Vaidehi on the second position, Deepa Karan once again on the third place. Jawahar has come up on the fourth position, Vaidhi. Yes, Vaidhi 8460. Very good on the fifth place. 3 players just hit answer streak 6. Very good. Okay, now let's look at the last question of the day. Question number 15. Question number 15 on your screen. If the population of any species has declined by 80 or more than 90% and has less than 50 individual populations, then it is considered as option A, threatened, option B, endangered, option C, critically endangered, and option D, vulnerable. Okay. So this particular concept or topic is very important when you study environment. Okay. Lots of potential questions happen to appear from these 4 words. Actually, these 4 words are very much favorite words of different exams. So you should know this, yeah? Yes, so let's look at the correct answer. Very good. The correct answer is critically endangered. So when there is very less number of population or particularly less than 50 number of population with respect to particular species or any animals, we can classify them as critically endangered, and that is the highest rank of risk which has been notified. So basically this has been calculated or addressed by IUCN. So I think everybody knows what it is. So yeah, okay, so your correct answer is critically endangered, that is color code yellow. Alright, yes, so now let's look at the scoreboard. Okay, there comes the podium. Third position, Jawahar, very good Jawahar, very good. Second place goes to Deepa Karan, great work. And first place goes to, yes, Adi 0667, great work. I really congratulate everybody. I'm so glad that you all stayed till the end and you all participated, very good. All those who participated, but if in case your name didn't appear on the leaderboard or on the screen or on the scoreboard, don't worry. Just see that you all are learning something, okay? I mean, everybody is participating, you all are staying here, you all are listening to what I'm saying, and you all are looking at different questions, you're looking at different options, you're looking at potential questions. So I really hope that these help, all right? And we are also promoting healthy competition among students, among friends. So you all recommend people to come in and keep learning. That is what I mean, okay? Keep learning, keep sharing, keep evolving, all right? So once again, congratulations everybody, and I'll see you all on the next quiz.